Good morning, sweetie. Wake up. It's time for school.
Good morning, Mom. I'm still sleepy.
Come on, get up, brush your teeth, and wash your face.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hurry, or you'll be late.
I'm getting up. I promise.
Good. Don't forget your socks and shoes.
I won't, Mom. I'm ready.
Did you brush your teeth properly?
Yes, Mom. My teeth are clean.
Good. Wash your face now.
Okay, it's cold water.
Yes, cold water wakes you up. Rub gently.
I'm done, Mom. My face feels fresh.
Perfect. Now, put on your uniform.
Yes, Mom. Which bag should I take?
The blue one. It has your lunch and books. Put on your uniform, shoes, and socks ready.
Yes, Mom. Shirt and skirt done.
Good. Hair tied nicely.
Yes, Mom. Look.
Very good. Grab your bag now.
Which bag should I take, Mom?
The blue one. It has everything you need.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready for school.
Here's your breakfast, sweetheart.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Eat slowly. Breakfast gives you energy for school.
I will, Mom. Eggs and toast look yummy.
Yes, don't forget milk.
Okay, Mom. I'm drinking it now.
Good. Finish before going.
Yes, Mom. I will eat everything.
After breakfast, get your shoes and bag ready.
I'm ready, Mom. I'm excited for school today.
Shoes on, bag ready.
Yes, Mom. I have everything.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
I have it, Mom.
Be careful on the road. Walk safely.
I will, Mom. Bye.
Bye, sweetie. Have a good day at school.
Thank you, Mom. See you later.
Welcome home. How was your day?
It was fun, Mom. I learned many new words.
Really? Tell me one word you liked today.
Friend. I met a new friend in class.
That's nice. Did you play together?
Yes. We played and laughed a lot.
Good. Make sure to finish your homework now.
Yes, Mom. I will do it soon.
Let's do your homework together.
Okay, Mom. I need help with spelling.
Sure. Spell friend.
Friend, friend.
Great. Now school.
School, school.
Excellent. You are doing very well.
Thanks, Mom. I feel happy.
Do you want fruits?
Yes, Mom. I want apples and bananas.
Good. Fruits are healthy and tasty.
I love them. Thank you, Mom.
Eat slowly. Don't rush.
Okay, Mom. They are so yummy.
Finish everything, then you can relax.
I will, Mom. I promise.
Let's go to the park, sweetie. Do you want to play?
Yes, Mom. I want to play on the swing.
Okay, but don't run too fast. Stay near me.
I will, Mom. Look, I'm swinging high.
Wow, you're so good. Hold on tight.
Mom, can we play on the slide too?
Sure, after the swings. Let's have fun. You had so much fun at the park.
Yes, Mom. I love the swings and slide.
Let's sit for a while and drink some water.
Okay, Mom. I'm thirsty.
Did you make any new friends today?
Yes, a girl named Lily. We played together.
That's great. Always be kind to friends.
I will, Mom. I want to play with her again tomorrow.
Time for your shower, sweetie.
Okay, Mom. I will be quick.
Don't forget to wash your hair and body properly.
Yes, Mom. I'm done now.
Great. Let's dry off and get comfortable.
Yay! Can we watch my favorite cartoon?
Sure, but just for a little while before dinner.
Okay, Mom. I love this show.
I like it too. The characters are funny.
Look, That's my favorite part.
Haha, yes, it's so exciting. Dinner is ready, sweetie. Come to the table.
Yay! I'm so hungry, Mom.
Tonight we have rice, vegetables, and soup.
It smells so good.
Eat slowly and finish everything on your plate.
Okay, Mom. Thank you for the yummy food.
It's bedtime, sweetie. Get into bed.
Okay, Mom. Can you read me a story?
Of course, tonight's story is about a brave little bird.
Yay! I love stories before sleep.
Good night, my dear. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom. I love you.
Thank you for watching. Learn English with us every day. Good night and sweet dreams.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.